Next, Anita was asking how to upgrade PaintShop with all the folders if you are going to 2023. And this is pretty simple. It's not always quick, but when you upgrade, first of all, it's not really an upgrade. It's an actual separate program. So even if you go on the site and you purchase the upgrade, you get a standalone program that should not touch your previous installations. As you can see, I still have my old PaintShop 9, and I have all the versions until 2023. Everything is working and they can work at the same time. Earlier today, I think I had 5 versions open at once. You have here under help, you can get, where was it? Nope, not here. Under file, you have import content from previous versions. This will work, but only for the default folders that are created during installation. If you are using custom folders, like you put your folders and you supply somewhere else, that command won't work and you will have to go back to File, Preference, File Location, and reset those with your favorite folders. Lucky for you, if you have all your brushes on your C drive, for example, in a different folder, that's only one folder, and even if you have subfolders, they will all go at once. So you have to adjust for the brushes, maybe deformation maps, displacement maps, probably environment maps. I'm not sure how often you'll use that. Maybe gradients, masks, palettes, maybe patterns for sure. Picture frames, probably. Picture tubes, probably. Preset shapes. Presets, this is going to be important because whatever preset you created, whether it's for your drop shadows, for line styles, for anything, that's going to be saved into presets. So if you already set various presets for your drop shadow, for example, for papers, for photos, for buttons, for this and that, you want to make sure you have that. And you have the scripts, line style if you created some, textures for sure, but many of the other ones you might not need. And if you need them, you can add them, but I would say half of them you don't need. And that's basically what you have to do when you reset or when you install a new version of PaintShop and you want to use the supplies from the previous versions. Hey there! I hope you found this information useful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus.